What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a little break from doing the bonnet on the RX-7 as these little bezelers have turned up for Liam's Datsun. So we're going to install them today. Next video coming up, if you know what a 280z is, then you might want to turn on your post notifications. I'm not going to say too much about it because it's not filmed yet, but that's looking like it could be for the weekend. And Liam doesn't actually know we're going to install these, so the first time he will find out is on this video, so you're welcome. Alright, so these lenses are going to finish off the front end. The video, I'll put a link to the front end video up there. These are from Altec products, website is just there, but I'll put it in the description anyway. So it's got instructions. In theory, it's just stick these three little tabs on with these 3M sticky pads, and then there's 3 bolts on either lens, and you just have a rub around it. Now you can drill these and rivet them or put a self tapper in, but because we're going to build this car probably next winter, we will probably just stick them on for now, and then when it comes to rebuilding it after we've put the engine in, we'll rivet them on then. So let's get to it. Alright, so we've fitted up the lenses and we've put masking tape on to mark where the holes in the lens are. Now the instruction piece here comes with this little template on the top. So what you do, cut it out across that line, and then when you fit it up to one of the holes, that's where the bracket will stick on. These little ones, we'll just stick them on, and then it should be a case of just bolting the lens on. Alright, so that is that one fitted. So what we did on that side, we marked them up, stuck them on, and then put the lens on, and we found they were not perfect in their location because you have to bend the tabs a little bit as well. So what we did on this one is we fitted them to the lens, then we took the adhesive off and then stuck the lens in with the tabs attached to it. That seemed to work a little bit better. The fit's pretty good, so I concentrated on getting the fit nice sort of around the top. It's a little bit out the front there, but nothing that you'd notice. But overall, it's a pretty good fit. What I think we're going to do is use the self tappers anyway, because I'm just not that confident on the sticky pads. I don't know whether it's because it's quite cold in here today. I mean, we have got the heater on, but they just don't seem to be sticking as well as I would expect. And the last thing I want them to do is come off and it's someone's car behind us. So for what it's worth, we'll just stick the 3 self-tappers in the other side, and then we'll have a little bit of confidence that they're not just going to fly off. And we can probably tidy up the brackets as well by just taking the tabs off on the side, but I don't know if I'll do that yet. Alright, so that's fitted. It took a bit longer than expected. We ended up using the self-tappers, and there was quite a lot of adjustment to be done on the actual brackets themselves, like bending the little tabs, just to get the fit like around the rubber as good as we can. Probably the worst bit is just at the front there, but all in all, not bad fitting. So personally, I'm 50-50 whether I prefer the lenses or before we fitted them. So let us know in the comments what you prefer, and also let Liam know, because this is the first time he's seen them. And remember to give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.